Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Guys, this is Switzerland of Asia and the beautiful view of Switzerland of Asia Swat. So you can see the beautiful water flowing and the green sky, beautiful view. So this big stone. So guys, if you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon that you will never miss the latest video. So guys, I request you, please share the video with your friends. Water flowing. So guys, in this value, in this place, the your heart is happy because the nature and beautiful view. So guys, for more video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon that you will never miss the latest video.